Started Suparna.
Perfect. So welcome everyone. So I would like to thank you to each and everyone today joining with us on this weekend. So moving on to the further slide. So here if you see a little intro about NextGen Data Aspirants community. So here I'm myself Inturi Suparna Babu. So I'm the founder of this community, and I am currently holding 7+ years of experience in data and analytics field. Currently I am an active Microsoft Fabric community super user. So Ajay, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you, Suparna. Hello, everyone. My name is Ajay Babu Inturi, and I'm working as a assistant manager at Genpact.
Yeah, thank you. Let me moving on to the further slide. So today in this session, I would request everyone, please follow this session guidelines. So be on mute, and if you have any questions, please park your questions and we will answer your each and every question at the end of the session. So please drop your questions in the chat box. And if you have any questions, if you want to ask, just please raise your hand. So this is that's all about session guidelines. So let me stop sharing my screen. So we welcome our speaker. Today's speaker is Ajay Babu. So he is going to lead this PL-300 session. So let me stop sharing my screen. Ajay, now the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you, Suparna. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know whenever you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Suparna. Thank you for this opportunity. Warm welcome to everyone. And just I want to give a brief introduction about myself. So my name is Ajay Babu Inturi, and I do have 6+ years of experience in data and analytics field. And I'm working as assistant manager at Genpact and since 3 years. And I do I have certified as a associate data analyst by Microsoft, and I do have a I'm a Fabric community user group leader, and my core expertise are Excel, Power BI, and Fabric SQL Server. So as you
Ajay,
can,
just a minute. Sorry to interrupt you. Please put your slides on full screen mode.
yeah, yeah. Is it good, Suparna?
Fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. As you seen on the screen, right? So this is today's session agenda. So why Power BI is matter, and followed by what is PL-300 and who should take PL-300, and skills measured, exam format and details, recommended learning path, tips to prepare efficiently, and exam day strategy, and then Q&A. And moving on the further slide, why Power BI is matter. So is anyone is working on other tools like Tableau, ClickView, any other tools, Looker? Is anyone?
I don't think.
Yeah, thank you. All right. So Power BI is a growing marketing demand. So I will deep dive into this topic in the further slides, and Power BI adoption and industry trend. So and Power BI jobs, like if you can see in the market, right? So there are plenty of Power BI jobs in the market. So all these points, Power BI makes more efficient and more powerful in the data analytics field. And coming to the next slide, if you can see, this is a, 1 second, I'm taking a pointer. Yeah, this is a Gartner chart, like who is providing the data, like all the businesses analysis, like who is performing well and who is the niche players and the visionaries and the challengers, right? If you can see on Feb 2014, Microsoft is the third place, like Tableau is the far behind the Microsoft. And if you can the same slide from the Gartner and May 2025, right? Microsoft is on the top, like no one is nearer to the Microsoft. And even if you can see the Tableau, right, it is on the second place. So these points makes Power BI is more powerful in the industry. Coming to the next slide, and just I do a Google on the difference between the Tableau and the Power BI trends, how the trend is followed. And if you can see, the Power BI starts like just I picked 1st January of 2014. It starts from zero and day by day it's growing gradually and rapidly. If you can see the Tableau, right? It's on the same line, same length. So it sometimes it down and sometimes it up, right? So what kind of industries is using Power BI mostly? If you see the 50%, right? So professional services as a 16%, manufacturing 12%, banking and financial services 11%, healthcare 7%, and oil and chemicals, right? 7%. So most of the people are working in these working areas, right? So plenty of jobs available in these areas. And coming to the Power BI adoption. So starting up this year, Microsoft tweet like Microsoft having Power BI having a 30 million user base, strong user base. So this is how like this picture is showing how the Power BI is growing day by day. And if you can see, right, this market size by Electro IQ. So on 2022, the BA market size is 27.24 billion USD and 2025 is right 33.62. And the same, the market is day by day is increasing and the 2032 is 55 billion USD. So from starting 2025 to 2023, right, it's within the 6 years, it's the market size is doubled. So these figures are showing the Power BI is going to the market leader and will rule the data analytics world. What is PL-300? So like, who can take this PL-300, right? So if you do the certification in any LinkedIn certification or Coursera or Simply Learn or Udemy, right? So these certificates are not valid when you are attending any interview or when anyone asks like do you have any certifications, right? All these are not valid. So if you certified by the Microsoft, like Microsoft conducting these kind of certifications across various technologies, right? So if you certified by Microsoft, so you are the perfect and the like valued analyst. So and this certification mainly focused on data preparation, modeling, visualization, and analysis. And this certificate is formally known as DA100, and it's role-based target for real business and data scenarios. Who should take PL-300? So basically, I would say whoever wants to certified by Microsoft, right? From new learner to experienced persons. So all the persons can appear for this exam, and business analysts and data analysts, anyone looking for to validate Power BI and data skills, and anyone upgrade from any other tools like business intelligence tools. So they can also appear for this exam. Skills measured in this exam. So for data preparation, it should be 25 to 30%, and for data modeling, the same 25 to 30%, and the visualization of data, the same 25 to 30%, and managing and data secure, right? It should be 15 to 20%. So this is the detailed exam breakdown. So if I read this preparation, right, data preparation. So we need to get data from the different sources, right? You know very well, like we are bringing data from SQL, SharePoint, and Azure, uh, Redshift, and etc. Right? So and we need to bring the data to Power Query Editor, and then we need to like any everyone knows so like we are doing some transformation in the Power Query Editor. So that will brings our data like to structureize the data. Like whenever we bring some data are like structured data and some data are not unstructured data, right? So we need to transform the data. So all these fall under the data preparation and modeling. So everyone knows without data modeling we can't build a robust data model or robust BI report, right? That's most important is relationships and DAX and performance tuning. So even though if you write a DAX, right? So I know, like I write in this different way, and you write in the different way, right? So all those are like brings the results, but the performance is sometimes bad. So we need to write those DAX in the perfect manner, so that will give the report to the better performance and the visualization. So everyone knows you need to create reports, dashboards, and slicers in the visualization and deploy, right? So whenever you complete any report, so just you will publish this report to the Power BI service, and you can create dashboards, and you can create RLS and all those things, right? So this will be a fall under deployment. Exam format, and these are the details. So the exam format, in the both format, online and test center, you can select like anyone. If you want to appear for the exam on online, then you can do. Otherwise you want to do appear in the exam for the test center, right? That's those two options are available in the format. And the question should be varies, right? So someone gets 40 questions, someone gets 55 questions, someone gets 60 questions. So it's depends on the dates, depends on the time. So the questions should be between the 40 and 60. The duration also same, 100 to 120 minutes. And the question types, right? These are the multiple choice, drag and drops, case studies, and matching, all those things. The passing score is 700 out of 1000. It's not a percentage. Like even if you get 70 percentage, we are not sure you will pass this exam. So you need to secure 700 score out of 1000. So then only you can clear this certification. And the exam fees 165 USD. It depends on depends on country to country. So in India, right, it's 4,865 plus taxes, even for the US as well. Like wherever the whatever the country having a taxes, right? So this is a base price, plus they can add taxes as well. And most of the time they accept Visa and Mastercards only. And yeah, so if you want to try any debit or credit cards, they are mostly accepting Visa and Mastercards. Recommended learning path. So these are the learning paths. Microsoft is providing valuable labs and valuable insights through their Microsoft Learn platform. And even though they are providing a practice assessment, so when like you can attend as many times as you possible, like whenever you attend, right? So the practice assessment give a new question so that you can perform better, right? So that if they give same questions now every time, right? So that doesn't make any sense. So this is like Microsoft is doing a beautiful way, like whenever you attend it will give fresh questions. And the experience demo, so you don't know how to like what is the interface and how they are doing, and what they are doing checks, right, before the exam. This is the exam sandbox, so you can experience the demo, like the real time certification demo. So real world Power BI project experience. Tips to prepare effectively. I would suggest to everyone complete Microsoft Learn modules, so it doesn't take that much time. So and a little bit hands-on experience with the Power BI desktop and services and data modeling as well, and practice some time-bound mock tests. So that will give you a best experience to attend this exam. Exam registration process. So the exam registration process is undertaken by Pearson VUE, so which is a third-party company. So this company will conduct a exam through their own interface. So I will show you at the end of the session. And this, as I told you, right? So you can appear for this exam at your home or at a test center. The exam day strategy. So as I told, right, it has a 100 minutes or 55 questions. So what I did, 75 minutes for general questions and 25 minutes for case study. So you can ask like, which one should I do first? So I would suggest the first part should be general questions, and the second part should be case studies. So you can attend your case studies at the end. So within the 75 minutes, right? So you can answer your all those questions within the 55 minutes. So you can roughly get 1 minute for each and every question. So then, and remaining 20 minutes, you can review your questions, review your answers. So whenever you select the answer, right, so there is another option called review. So when you check or select that box, right, so at the end of these questions, right, you can review your questions whether this correct or not, so that you can make changes accordingly. The same thing for the case studies, 20, you can answer 20 minutes all those questions, and you can review all those questions within the 5 minutes. So if you can follow this exam day strategy, so that will give you a best experience and the confident to you. These are the sample questions. Is any, just answer your answers in the chat box, or yeah. So you use a Power Query to import two tables named order header and order details from the Azure SQL database. The order header table relates to the order details table by using a column named order ID in each table. You need to combine these tables in a single query. So what would be the answer? Like, just ping me in the chat box. Sharif Mej, Samechik, append Mej query, Sambika Mej, Suparna Ye. Yeah, all right. So let's see what is the answer. So the answer is Mej queries. So when you are using the same, right? When you are like when you are want to get the same data from the different table, so based on the unique column, right? So you need to use the Mej queries. Go to the second question. You need to provide a user with ability to add members to workspace. The solution must be the principal at least at principle of least privilege. Can you answer for this? Member Divya B, Suparna D, contributor, member Vishnu Chaudhary, member Pratyusha D. So can anyone tell us like why contributor and why not member?
Shafi, if you would like to speak, you can speak.
So everyone confused at this level, right? So they are asking least privileges. So what they are asking, you need to provide a user with the ability to add members to a workspace. The solution must use the principle of least privileges, right? So admin can add members, member can add members. What they are asking, least privileges. So the answer should be member. Let's see. So yeah, the answer should be member. And this is another question. It's a different kind of question. So you build a report to analyze customer transactions from a database that contains the tables shown in the following table, right? Customer and transaction. So you import the tables. Which relationship should use to link the tables, right? Customer and transaction, and the customer ID is a primary key, name, state, email, and the transaction ID, customer ID is a foreign key and date. So guess anyone what would be the answer? Shafi, one too many. Srilata D. Same. Vishnu same. Saraswati same. Tikanta D. Yeah, absolutely correct. Everyone is saying the same answer. So let's see. Yeah, the one to many from customer to transaction. So customer customer is acting as a fact table. So this is a primary key. If you see in the transaction, right, customer ID is a foreign key, so acting as a dimension table. So this is one to, sorry, um, many to one. Yeah, many to one here. So post certification bit, what you would earn after the completion of this exam, right? So you will earn digital certificate or badge recognition on LinkedIn. This certificate will add a more weight to your resume, and this is a better opportunity to filter out your resume for the new opportunities. So these are the sources. Like, I want to give some intro about these sources. Let me go to this. So these are the Microsoft Learn website. Already I logged in, so that's why it is not asking me to log in with my credentials. So if you can see, right, prepare for the exam, practice for the exam, take the exam, and renew your certification. So prepare for the exam, right? So you need to complete all these tasks. Like, when you complete, right, you will get more and more. If you open this first chapter, right, you will get another subtopics, right? You need to complete all those things, so that will give you a better experience, like better understanding about Power BI. And this is a practice exam, right? So if you click on this, take this practice assessment, you will get example questions. So how, as a number of as many times as you can utilize these practice sessions, and every time it will give you a fresh question, so that you will uh, like redefine your answer ability. And the second is, this is experience demo, right? Launch the sandbox, like how the interface is and what are the terms and conditions. So this will show you. So yes, I'm agree. Yeah, it is mentioning session time 8 hours, exam time 8. Just, it's all these are examples. Next, training, this. Welcome to the sandbox exam. So you can see sample questions here. There are 11 sample questions and 3 case studies and 1 lab, right? So you can utilize the sandbox experience as well. So that will give you a better understanding how you can perform in the exam. So now I will show you the how to schedule your exam, right? So if you, by default is US, so it's showing 165 USD, and just I'm selecting India. So it's 4865 INR. If you, when you click on schedule exam, right, it's navigate to the, like Pearson view website, and you need to provide the credential, all your details. I'm selecting my details. So then can submit once you complete all these things. So as I told you, right, how do you want to take your exam? In person at a test center, or online with one view, or I have private access course. So I experienced these two. So just I'm selecting online with one view. And these are the conditions. So you need to pass before the exam, and they will ask you, like, you whoever the proctor, right, this exam will be proctored, and they will ask you to show your ID card and show your entire workspace, and you don't need to hang any calendars or any numbers things on your walls. So the main purpose, they are looking at anyone is hiding behind you. So that's just be careful at that time. So clicking next. So you need to select your language. So just I'm selecting English. And then you have to agree all these terms and conditions. And the online exam policies, then one view data processing, and third party provision, limited license, facial comparison policy. Yeah, all those things. Once you agree all these term T and C, it will ask like, what is the language you prefer to proctor to speak, right? So just I'm selecting English. Then next, just it is asking what is your preferred time zone. As I'm in Asia, Kolkata IST, so that's right. And it is asking to select your date. So I am selecting 20th of December, right? It is showing only 2 slots available. No, it is only 1 slot available, 2 p.m. And let me check any upcoming months. I want to show more detail. It is showing only 8 to 10 a.m. PT, right? Let's see. Explore the more times. When you click on explore more times, right, it is showing 12 to 5 a.m. It's 21 slots are available, and 5:15 to 9 a.m. 16. So like you can explore all these things. 8:15 to 11:45 p.m. So there are 13 slots are available. Just you can select any slot, right? So just I'm selecting 9:15 to 1, so 10:15. When I select, right, you need to click on this book this appointment. So it will show you the exam name and length, language and length, and the appointment details and the price. So this total amount is 4865 excluding taxes. So I'm not sure now I'm getting a 50% discount for this. So for this for the remaining amount, tax is 437 rupees. Total estimated value is 2870. When you click on proceed to checkout, right? So as I told you, it is mostly asking AMX, MasterCard and Visa, right? So you need to like American, MasterCard, Visa, anyone. If you have either debit or credit, you can utilize. If you have any RuPay credit card or any other credit card, right? Credit or debit, so you can't able to complete this process. So now I am closing this window. Just if is anyone having any doubts in the scheduling exam?
If anyone having any questions related to this scheduling the exam, please feel free to ask.
Hi.
Hello.
How can we do in from USA?
So if you are living in USA, then you need to select as US. So because the Pearson view is right, they can track your locations as well.
Yes, yes, I know.
Yeah. So whenever you visit India, right, then you can
Do
schedule your
this.
exam. Yeah, schedule your exam on that time and appear on that day.
Oh, okay. Can't we use their schedule and we can attend from here?
Just a minute. So Ajay, just close this tab, and can you show the how we can schedule from US also? It's already there in the portal. Again, you can
Okay.
open.
Let me go back.
Then attendees will have
Okay.
some clear idea.
Okay. Now I'm selecting US. Just I'm clicking on schedule exam. Uh, okay, just I'm filling random things. Okay, not sure what. Okay, what? Oh, sorry, it's not taking. Can you give any postal address, pin
Yeah,
code?
33647.
33647. Oh, it is not taking this as a phone number.
You can enter some random number, not zeros.
You can mention 888.
Oh, it still is not. Address should not start and with a period. Okay, that's fine. Oh, the phone number is not valid. Should only contain
Add one
numeric.
more number. Yeah.
Numerical digits, you are giving iPhones.
Phone
No, you
number
need to give
is
one more number,
invalid.
10 numbers.
Okay. The same. Let's this time I can select in person at test center, and on that day you need to carry your photo ID and what to expect. Like if you show all these videos, just when you click on the short video, right, it will give you a more information about the test center. I'm selecting English. Next, the same
Test.
TNC. Okay. So it is showing the near in the Alabama city, right? It's showing the nearest test centers. The first one is
Test
Buffalo
centers
Educational
means we
Opportunity.
need to go there and we need to write an exam.
Exactly. You need to
Okay.
appear at their centers, like
Same in
dedicated.
India also. Same in India also.
Yes, this option available in India as well.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then next, oh, I think I didn't select you. Okay. Selecting the first one. So how it is showing, like how it is assigning the numbers, right? So for my location, so like whatever the nearest test center, right, that will show on the top. So just for now, I'm selecting the first one.
Buffalo.
There are no times available in the current date range. What date range I selected? Previous step. Okay. There are no times available in the current date range. Consider. I didn't select. Okay, let me go. Correct. Maybe the center, like it has a center, but it doesn't. They are not conducting right now. Let me check this one. Yeah, it has a dates. Okay. If I'm selecting 10th of February, so just explore the times options. So there are only one slot available on right Feb. I think when it is February 10, right? So it's on early morning and the 9:15 to 1. There are two slots, 10:30 and 12:30. Like this, you can explore whatever the time is suitable for you. And currently, I'm selecting just one time slot, 10:30. Just book this appointment, and it is showing $165 and okay. Even I do now I do have 50% discount. So $82. Proceed to checkout. So here as well UCB, American Express. Think this is Unipay. All there are other options are available, right? You can select all these things. Currently, I'm selecting Mastercard. So it is asking details. So like this, you need to select your payment, but I'm sure you can't appear like if you are like residing in any other country, you want to appear in the exam in some other country, right? That's not possible in the Pearson view.
Mm-hmm.
I hope
One
I
more
answered you.
question
Mm,
is that
mm,
if we failed that day, so
mm.
we need to rewrite, right? Again?
Yes, you
That
need to
is
rewrite within I think within a 24 hours, you can appear one more time. In that like in second time also, if you fail, so you need to wait 6 months to appear for the exam, but you need to pay each and every time if you fail the exam.
okay. Mm-hmm.
If you complete your exam, right? If you complete your exam and pass your the PL-300 certification, so
Mm-hmm.
after 6 months you will get an email for renewal. So from that date, right, before 6 months, you can appear as many times as you can until you clear that exam. So there is no fee for the renewal certification. So that will be free. And one more thing, that is not proctored. Whenever the first time you need to appear for the proctored exam or a test center for the
Mm-hmm.
in the next time renewal, right? So you don't need to pay any fee, or you don't need to attend any center, and even though that's a not proctored exam. All right. These are the some good YouTube playlist. Just as a disclaimer, like we are not promoting this channel. Just this is a good playlist to learn a PL-300 certification questions and all those things. If you want, you can follow this, or else if you want only if you want to use a Microsoft Learning Path, that is also a very good platform. And if you want to see reactor sessions, right? So this is Microsoft conducted sessions. So you can go through all these sessions like to get knowledge on the PL-300 certifications. And next, if anyone having any questions, you can ask me. I will try to answer your questions.
Please put the links in chat so that we can practice.
Yeah, definitely I will do.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi Ajay.
Hi.
Hi Ajay. I'm Divya. May I know is when can we receive the voucher? Can we get in notification or a mail or in a mail in the community?
I
How
believe like
can
if you submit for the voucher request.
already submitted? It is around 1 week,
Okay. Did you mention
more than
any?
1 week.
Did you mention like? Did you complete all labs, or did you mention you attended any fabric day sessions?
I have mentioned them.
So
NDAC, HDAC.
okay,
Yeah.
then you will get your fabric community in the email, direct email. So that I'm sure, right, Suparna?
Yes, yes. Divya, let me answer your question. Did you drop the email to community team?
Yeah, I already dropped.
Okay, in that you can mention my name, my full name. So as a being an
Okay.
organizer of, they will recognize. If you see today and tomorrow there is a weekend. Okay, so
Okay.
you can
Okay.
wait to today and tomorrow, and you can send email on Monday evening. Okay,
Okay.
let me reshare again that email ID in the chat box. See, this is the email ID fabric-ready@microsoft.com, and you can
Okay.
mention uh, NextGen Data Aspirants community and my name also. So they can recognize. So I'm sending my
Okay.
full name also. You can
Mm.
send my name also in the email.
In the email. Okay.
Because see, this is subjected to voucher availability also. Not everyone
Okay.
will get the voucher. So because
Okay.
this program is happening for the past 40 days. Past 40 days this
Yes.
program is happening, and this yesterday it was closed. Now there is no chance to apply for any voucher. Okay. So yesterday the
Yeah.
program
Okay.
was closed. So just please wait, and frequently you can send emails to this fabric_ready@microsoft.com. Meantime, let me check in parallel with community managers. If I got any update, I'll share in the respective social media channels.
Okay, can you share them in WhatsApp LDAC? Because sometimes I'm missing this in Teams.
Mogadeshwaran, can you please share the links?
Okay, he will share me. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Tim. See, any questions?